Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today I'm coming to you with a very exciting announcement. Now, as you know, I've been on the hunt for the best SLG or small leather good for a very long time, and I have found it. Now, my criteria for this SLG has been that it needs to be a coin/card holder, meaning it has the structure to hold both coins and cards or bills or things like that. It also had to have a fully functional and closing zip compartment, which would be useful if you need to keep items like a safety pin, a bobby pin, a spare earring that you take off and you don't want to lose, as well as much additional organization as possible without adding bulk. Now, while I'm not the biggest fan of this particular design, I do love the organization, and I think this is the perfect organization. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Have you tried this one out? Do you love it? Do you hate it? I will be continuing my search so that I can find something that does speak to me personally. But so far in terms of design, this is it.